Hypothyroidism is a condition where the thyroid gland produces less of thyroid hormones. There is no particular diet for hypothyroidism, and eating or avoiding certain foods will not help cure hypothyroidism. In fact, taking medications in the right way remains the cornerstone in the treatment of hypothyroidism. Now, thyroid gland is one of the main powerhouses of the body, and the thyroid hormones which it secretes is responsible for cell growth, repair, and metabolism. There are three most important things in maintaining optimum health in hypothyroidism. They are lifestyle modification, knowing the right nutrients and goitrogens, and taking the medication regularly in the right way. Most patients with hypothyroidism have a tendency for weight gain, fatigue, depression, and elevated levels of bad cholesterol. Hence, a moderate to high intensity aerobic exercise regime, a protein-rich diet, avoiding or limiting added sugars, saturated fats, and highly processed foods will help boost the sluggish metabolism which is present in hypothyroidism, and thus take care of the tendency towards weight gain which people with hypothyroidism usually have. There are certain important nutrients which are there in hypothyroidism, that is iodine, selenium, zinc, and iron. Of these, iodine is the most important micronutrient which is responsible for thyroid hormone synthesis. Iodized salt, eggs, fish, and dairy are important sources of iodine. Selenium is the second most important nutrient which protects the thyroid gland from free radical damage. Brazil nuts, tuna, sardines, shellfish, eggs, chicken, beef liver, legumes, whole grains, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, mushrooms, garlic, onions are some of the important foods from which we can derive selenium, and they help to boost the selenium levels. Zinc and iron are other important micronutrients required for thyroid gland, and these can be present in oysters, shellfish, chicken, beef, legumes like lentils, beans, chickpeas, or peas. Goitrogenic compounds are certain substances which are harmful for the thyroid gland. They are present in many of the common foods which we consume in our day-to-day life. Some of the important sources of goitrogens are soy foods like tofu, soya milk, soya sauce, vegetables like cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, kale, cassava, spinach, radish, horseradish, turnip. These are important sources of goitrogens. Bamboo shoot also is an important source of goitrogen. Certain fruits like strawberries, peaches are sources of goitrogens, and millets, pine nuts, and peanuts are other goitrogens. People with hypothyroidism need not avoid goitrogens altogether. They can be consumed in small quantities, and large amounts of goitrogens should be avoided by people who have hypothyroidism. Ensuring adequate intake of iodine and cooking of goitrogenic foods helps to minimize their harmful effects. Finally, the most important thing which remains in treatment of hypothyroidism is taking the medication in empty stomach with water. It should not be taken with tea, coffee, fruit juice, walnuts, or other dietary fibers, as these can impair the absorption of the medication. Certain medications like calcium and iron supplements, acidity medications like proton pump inhibitors, antacids which contain aluminium and magnesium, or sucralfate, cholestyramine, orlistat, sevelamer. These are other medications which, if taken along with the thyroid medication, can impair or reduce the absorption of the thyroid medication, and hence these should be taken at least 4 hours after taking the thyroid hormone pill.